Good morning, everybody. This is Milton Washington Tech 1999 back again with another unboxing. Let's get down to business. This is the Synco G2-A1 wireless lavalier mic. So you guys can tell the obvious audio quality degradation because this mic is officially garbage. Only one channel works now. Comes out the left channel, the rest is static, so junk. So the first two things we see inside are the user manual and the carrying case. Open up the carrying case and we are presented with the receiver, transmitter, and then we should have the two-way USB-C cable as well as the TRS and TRRS cables. First off, we have the 3.5mm TRS to 3.5mm TRRS phone cable. Next up we have the 3.5mm TRS to 3.5mm TRS camera cable. Then we have the included lapel mic and of course the two-way USB-C charging cable. Then in the next bag we have the reset pin, the foamy windscreen, a microphone clip, and last but not least, the furry windscreen. Test 1 2 3. Starting out with the receiver, as you guys can see, it is picking up my audio perfectly, and this is with the built-in mic. And then we have the transmitter. Once again, everything is linked from the factory. I just need to put these on the charger for a little bit and then everything will be good to go. But while I have these out right now, let's do a quick audio test behind the camera. This is a test of the Synco G2-A1 lapel mic with gain set to 0 decibels. This is a test of the mic with the gain set to plus 3 decibels. The background noise is a fan running. This is a test of plus 6 decibels. Mic is about a foot away from my face. This is plus 9 decibels. Audio is starting to get within negative 6 decibels of clipping. This is plus 12 decibels. Last but not least, we have plus 15 decibels. Most likely this audio is clipping. This is a test of the Synco G2-A1 0 decibel setting with the low cut filter on. The low cut filter cuts off all frequencies below 150 Hz. This can help with wind noise, background noise such as the fan running, and so on. Should be a noticeable improvement. This is a test of the external lapel mic with the standard windscreen, no low cut filter, plus 0 decibel gain. This is a test of the external lapel mic plus 0 gain with the low cut filter on. This is a noise floor test of all 5 gains and the low cut filter set at plus 0 decibels. So I look like a dumpster fire right now, I know, but my overall first impression on this mic is I love it. I haven't tested it with the audio passed through to the headphones yet. That will be coming up on my own time. However, I really like what I'm seeing and hearing. So it is about 6 inches from my face, low cut filter off, and plus 0 gain. So let me know what you guys think, and let's just hope this is another one of those big upgrades that I've been waiting for. This mic put in its time and it worked out well. It's sad that it failed the way it did, but the truth is it was cheap. It was only a matter of time before it was going to fail, and I'm happy I went with a good mid-budget increase. So thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys for the next video.